This 2025 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 26L140 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, awning, spare tire kit, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, and 102 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 26L140 is 8,704 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.